Here's how to download Fortnite on iPhone. First, open the App Store and switch to the search feature. Inside, search for Fortnite and then start the download. If your region doesn't support Fortnite in App Store, there's also another way you can use. Simply, open Safari on your iPhone and go to the Xbox Cloud Gaming website by entering the following link. Once the site loads, tap on the search icon and then search for Fortnite. If it doesn't appear on the homepage, then select the game. Tap Get Ready to Play. You'll be prompted to add Xbox Cloud Gaming to your home screen. Tap the three dots, select Share, scroll down, select Add to Home Screen, and then tap Add. Return to your home screen and open the newly added Xbox Cloud Gaming app. Search for Fortnite again, open the game, and tap Sign In. Sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create a free Microsoft account before continuing. After signing in, return to the Fortnite page and tap Play. Now, Xbox Cloud Gaming isn't supported in my region, but it is available in majority of regions like Europe and US. That's all for this video. Thanks.